You can't otumfo. You can't yakopo ahini ne free soro basa. Otumfo ahini ne yaka. Esa say why ahini ne command free soro ma Bible sounds as no. Yes, oye nyame bi. Onye ni pasa oye nyame bi me catch on e. Asema na meza mokano.
Nice GA.
You will be sure from Mobia Cover platform. So, and then they can message us with me and bell notification. So, no subscribe. So, the next time you drop a video, be on Sabit me a Kelly. About few days in me, share them drop a video. Yes, I know. Krona me if you look at Crabini a day, and I think better me start talk a crying to me go show me a preparation. So, them can no bit me support in any form. My number the good screen. No, I've been tribute also a bit me actually. Sabe pepe and it's nowadays, I'm beginning to be happy. Because the way the youth embracing the Asantehene, nowadays, the way the youth, embracing the Asantehene campaign now. Mama, like any J say, now Asantehene say no, and she, men kasa be found with you, be antwema, and your mamma who in Tina Mekasan. You go to your branch bakwa. Na Odin komo, na yenty some more cafe round, a yeme emane the no. Now, the youth is embracing the Asantehene campaign. I'm very glad and very, very happy. I'm very happy, trust me. Very, very happy. And I'm very, very happy, yes. Into the first video in my bar, you better also.
You can't otumfo. You can't yakopo ahini ne free soro basa. Otumfo ahini ne yaka. Esa say why ahini ne command free soro ma Bible sounds as no. Why ahini ne command man free soro ba. I don't forget the obi yaka.
So otumfo is powerful.
Yes, oye nyame bi. Onye ni pasa oye nyame bi me catch on e. Asema na meza mokano. Forget obia.
The mahine ni pay do fato nchen.
Me pese me condemn obia ba pese me tro se oye nyame bi. Eti nipa bi fan show mo trim. No mo ndak pa no. Oye nyame ma wi ase. Anyame sha friend bi.
Na otumfo no. Na ine no ay kuma sen kwa ho. Asante kwa ho.
Asante na ye ka no. Enye Ghana hapo. Oko Ivory Coast, baby pray. Forget the nipa bi kan. Brown ho ase. Kofie, kosianyansa. Anything na dan parika say openyansa. Almost also ye penyansa. The oya Ghana nyina mo IGP ne say ye penyansa. Ye banana ho, nya besuanyansa ne de ko ye o say. Asema na me kan. Masa otumfo de otum make ka bi anya no.
Otumfo de.
Oya nyame me try. No. Oya wiase nyame. Asema na kan. Obenyansa wo otumfo anim no ne wo kasa. Papa, you can't talk to him just like that. Madam, forget it. You're putting more than your body.
The mahine don't any kasa ba.
What's it? The mahine person what say? Or you pay me. What does it? But nobody no bonimu. What else are now?
I said say o penyin channel.
Madam, forget it. Oh, Tia Dino, yes, otumfo. Why need you otumfo din man? Enyanko pon ne bossa din no. Or reason why? Why the catch conflict in no why? Penny ben na the car day. Penny ben na si otumfo we asi we. Forget it.
The man is so otumfo to kudu. The man can so fu bra actually.
Actually why?
That's why I say
madam I can say me cho ne ti ase ne. He mam cho de. Oh, nipa bi oya badwemba. Ah, owo animu. Otumfo kra de nipa say me body di on. Cause oye nyame bi. Me body di aye dey. Also, Debbie, edi mi wani kwa so obo. Nana otumfo osay tutu. Oye nyame bi. Ye money di sa keke. Why na hini free sroba asase we so ka kire me ne. Ye pese me why hini free sroba asase so. Otumfo hini free sroba asase so. Me kasi ka ja kofi a kire on ne. Me ye sum si ka ja kofi.
Ka kofi.
Free sroba asase so.
Confirm not just I know you are a fraud.
I send you a can. Forget to stop. Fine. Only me can. Jesus Christ, we are singing now. Or that's what you say. Asama na aka no. Forget it.
Omo mama kwa hesi ana sa aso dom lesha for me se budo da bi ntwi for.
Budo Hansa.
I'm gonna say also no be antimi
Oh, mama ka some to her. Mina, oh you young guy. Mama to ade. So be so onyini cha for ani die mo otumfo. No. So be so onyini cha. Me say for ani die mo otumfo. Oye nyame bi. Ono pene wiase nyina ahenie. Ono na ahenie free so na ba yo. Yes, me cancel me acho. Otumfo ahenie no. Efri osoro na ba asase so. E mo bia na ada. Apart from otumfo, why na ahenie free so ba ye? It's Bible asem me ka cho say ahenie na ahenie free so e otumfo ho asem me ka cho me. Kode ko ha ba ko sem.
Sabe pepeneti o na se me kase me to aso a. Na wo hwe abuchimemu kosikoko krum. Na yese ene ye Study Ghana Day. Na o mensu bibia sa asanteman sanse yesi asanteman na wo nsem ka asanteman na wo nsem tro asanteman na ye tro yesuan na asanteman ko pie ho fe kwa de yen say video ni ma ye ba e beto aso.
Where students
Study Ghana Day
studying
in the
Ghana,
USA.
And today is wrapping up in a campus parade where we have representative from the DFW ASANTEHENE group coming on campus to do a parade for our kids, and then we're going to end in a interview panel where they tell about their role in the community and how they serve the Ghanaian community within Dallas-Fort Worth.
I'm so impressed. I'm very happy to see that. In fact, we didn't expect that.
Our staff and our community, they've done such a great job of planning special events. We haven't done this like in 10 years, since 2000.
Pause mami. O she de ni atro akwa na yino so. Wow the kind. Yes, thank you Asanteman. Me say. O de wa kind the atro gu so. Sabe pepe net na be me che say yes Asanteman.
2011. In the past, we did Scandinavia, Japan, India, national parks. So those are some of the examples that we've done in the past. They're like, well, this year we want to do Ghana. I was like, oh, how sweet, because they knew that I was born in Ghana, and I came when I was 3. So it's been such a great experience to share part of my culture and the country I'm from with the staff, and everyone's learning all about it.
The kindergartners singing the song. That surprised me. What goes through my mind is there's hope for our future when it comes to them embracing other cultures. To me, that shows me that they're willing to be a lot more open-minded as they continue to move forward.
I'm so proud of our staff, so proud of our students, and so proud of our community. This has really rallied all of us together, and the outcome is more than I can imagine.
Sinam say nti wo hwe de se de o masia ya amana ya akono ya nti nka ye ntimi nya bi wo Ghana ana ti da be na school so be kira Asanteman Day nka ye kire bi wo hanke nya na ene de ya to ni nyina twene ye culture ni nyina yira mesre me say sa ne o ma we nyina o se sa de be school mo so adwen kire ne say me number na go screen wo betimi do adwen kire ba comment section. Wadwen kire ne sei enyoma wo se asa ba school bi hwe ne fae da be ne enso ebenya Asanteman Day e be kire amamme ne abakosem a kire mo se ye obi ka fo wadwen kire bra na wo hwe o mani age ne nkro na nwa ho aso musua Asanteman abakosem e wo Ghana masaka bi me se mumiemwa na Asanteman ekoso a Ghana akoso sa pepeneti o ene mesem ne nwa etiawa sabe pepe energy ye beto aso enen de di kan message so be mi subscribe button no mi notification bell so de be next time we do video be on sabe ti mi akabi makra